How to change ringtone on a Samsung device. The very first thing you have to do is open up your settings menu, and once you land on the settings page, you're just going to have to scroll down until you find the option for sound and vibration. Tap on it. Once you get here, you will find the ringtone option. So if you have two SIM card, you'll have different options here. So just tap on ringtone. And then from here, you can select your ringtone. So let me just increase the volume for you guys a bit. So as you can see here, this is my current ringtone. And if you want to choose a different one, you can just go ahead and select a different ringtone right here. And once that is done, if you go back, it will automatically be saved. As you can see, this ringtone has been changed. And that's how you easily change your ringtone on a Samsung device. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.